trimmed up pretty good from my other videos that I am just now still a little shaky. Be windy. It's windier than I was expecting. Oh, shoot, we done ripped the landing gear right off of this bad boy. What damage has been done is for this reason right here. But unfortunately, I could launch it by hand, but I'm not gonna take it. Got a little too low, a little too squirrely. Came down hard on the gear. Stick this in my pocket again. Ejected the battery, unplugged the battery. Plan's not always easy. This is exactly why I did not want to. Oh man, that's the body there. Oh, I like to fly low. I like to see the plane. Like that fucking happens all the guys. All I'm thinking is I'm gonna go get a fucking warbird. Let me spend 600. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we brought out the Carbon Cud. This is the third version of it. GPS module is supposed to go in there, but I didn't put it in there. And we are controlling her with the stock DXS remote that she comes with. We're going to be powering it up on the 3S LiPo battery that she also comes with. Nice thing about this setup is that the telemetry is built right into the controller, so you don't have to put a flight timer anymore, set a flight timer, or get a LiPo alarm. You can just plug in the smart battery. As long as it's a Spektrum smart battery, you plug it in to the plane, and your three lights up, these three small dots down there will light up and slowly disappear as your battery runs down. And then once you get below a certain voltage on this one, I believe it's 3.6 volts per cell or something. No, that's not right. Anyways, once you get to a lower voltage, it sets off an audible alarm, and then you know it's time to land your plane. So what I like to do is, before I even put the battery in, make sure all of my channels are set to the lowest position, so it's zeroed out on all the channels. Throttle, zero out of throttle. It's a little windy today, so we'll see how she does. Flip the plane over, and we have Velcro. Put the battery as far forward as I can. Strap goes on there. Power up my remote. She's good to go. Take the power cable, plug in the battery. I get a little song and dance from it. Set it down on a flat surface. Jumping around. Tracking itself right now with the GPS. Okay, we just got a little tail wiggle. Now it does the dance. It wiggles the rudder, and now we should be good. Okay. And I set my rates. Okay, throttle safety is on, high rates, and I have the safety on for right now as well. So, what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to come back once I get the camera set up on my headset. Okay, and we're back now. So, take my controller, do a final pre-check, ailerons, rudder, elevator. Okay, there we go. Bring her out to the runway. We're up on top of a hill out here in Davie, Florida. And we got a crosswind. Shouldn't be that bad. We're still gonna take off on the landing strip here on the runway. Okay, I believe we're still recording. Okay, take that, put it in my back pocket. And here we go. So I have the safe is off. She's pretty trimmed up pretty good. Not talking too much, really paying attention to what I'm doing here. Like I've said before in my other videos, that I am just now comfortable flying the plane without safe on. I still a little shaky. Still a little shaky. Flying it at full throttle the whole time out here. It's just it's pretty windy. It's windier than I was expecting it to be. Light into the sun here. Let's try to do a flat turn here. Oof. And yep, well, that's what happens. And you get too low. Well, shoot, we done ripped the landing gear right off of this bad boy. Let's see what the damage has been done. We stuffed the motor pretty good. And it looks like we were able to save the wings. Oh, crap. And that's flying, folks. Like I said, this is why I have not been flying the FMS. It is for this reason right here. Shoot. But the cool thing is that a little bit of hot glue and she'll be ready to fly again. But unfortunately, crud. That's what you get. I hope she's still recording. I'm not sure. Yep, she's still recording. So, I mean, I could launch it by hand, but I'm not gonna take the risk. We're gonna take it back home and hot glue it. So today's flying is over. I guess we'll do a little bit of crawling now. Got a little too low, a little too squirrely. Shoot. Stuffed the front end, but doesn't look like there's any damage. I wrinkled the front, the nose just a little bit. It was the gear. She came down hard on the gear. Okay, let's put the battery back in it. Remote's off. Stick this in my pocket again. Grab our pieces. Oh, here's another one. Don't want to litter. This whole piece, this whole plastic piece is replaceable. So I just peel it away from the styrofoam and use hot glue and put a new one in there. I think I might have one from another model, but he ejected the battery, unplugged the battery. That was a good little hit. That's a shame. I don't have any hot glue on me. Crud. Well, crud. Alright, guys. So, there you have it. Flying's not always easy. But what are you gonna do? Son of a bitch. This is exactly why I did not want to start flying the F4U yet, Corsair. Not yet. Not until I'm more comfortable with basically what's it. I'm going from a trainer. I'm going from a. Oh man, that's just the body there. That's a little more hot glue than I thought to put this bad boy back together. But that's why I'm going from a trainer to a warbird. And I just know I need to put in a lot more practice with this. I need to get more comfortable. My maneuvering is fine. It's just every now and then when I'm coming at myself, I like to fly low. I like to see the plane. And I'm sure you all do too. When it's way up in the sky and you're 18 mistakes away from the ground, you can play around, but I like doing the low and slow passes. And with having the safe off and I'm in the high rates, I have no bailout button really. So when I bug out, I just gotta throttle up and pull up, and when I was coming at me, I get turned around. My left is right and right is left, and you know, fuck. Shit like that fucking happens all the goddamn time. This is my third one. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking is I'm gonna go get a fucking warbird. Let me spend $600 on a beautiful aircraft and never fly it. So I definitely need more practice. Definitely need more fucking practice. Shit. Alright guys, well thanks for watching my channel. I guess for the rest of the day I'm going to stay in this park. It's Vista View Park, beautiful park. We're gonna find some cool shit to crawl around. Maybe put the GoPro on the truck, get a little bit of running footage like that. I think that'll be fun. So alright guys, thanks a lot. Sorry for the video. What the fuck? Airplanes. And the camera won't turn off. What the fuck's going on with this? Yes, control my fucking thing.